Hi everyone. Today, बहुत time बाद, we are vlogging on Dr. Two. So today is a special day because it marks an end of my journey here in Lucknow. All those who do not know, I am here since January and now it's April for my training in aesthetics, in cosmetology. So आज वो खत्म होने वाला है. So इट्स अ नॉस्टैल्जिक डे. पता भी नहीं चला कि कब इतना टाइम बीत भी गया. ऐसा लग रहा अभी तो मैं आई थी. Since I was in Lucknow, I was here to train myself, learn about things about aesthetics. And we all know aesthetics में क्या क्या आता है, lasers, injectables, well everything which can beautify yourself. So let's say if you have an acne, तो acne जब जाता है, pimple जब जाता है तो ज़रूर गड्ढे बना के जाता है. So that pits, if for example pits नहीं भी है तो hyperpigmentation होगा. So that is what I went to learn how to treat the aesthetic part of the skin. So all this journey was amazing. It was 3 months long and I can't even tell kitna enjoyment tha. I learned so many things, experienced so many things which I just knew through textbooks. And today I can proudly say that I know almost everything and I am ready to do it because I've practiced a lot till now. I'm pretty sure a lot of you people watching this video might be thinking हमें भी dermatologist बनना है या फिर हमें भी MD crack करनी है. But to crack all of this, it requires a lot of hard work and also it requires the right amount of studies, quality and quantity to crack an entrance exam. So as I've been always mentioning, I have been a student of DBMCI जो आज तक मेरे पास इतने questions आते हैं. So DBMCI में I did the coaching and for all of you जो कह रहे हैं कि यार हम तो अब coaching नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम आ नहीं पाएंगे, so you people have an option of DBMCI Live app, which is one kind of a provision which they people have provided wherein you get to learn and are taught in the live फॉर्मेट जहाँ पे तुम क्वेश्चंस भी पूछ सकते हो, आंसर भी होंगे, टीचर्स होंगे एंड यू नो हाउ वेल एंड हाउ अमेजिंग दिस टीचर्स टीच अस. लाइक फॉर रेडियोलॉजी वी हैव राजत जैन सर, फॉर एनाटमी वी हैव अश्विनी सर, सो मेडिसिन वी हैव तमीम सर. सो मतलब all of them are have a legacy and they're so eminent faculty in DBMCI. देन क्वेश्चंस तुम पूछ सकते हो, आंसर हो जाएंगे. ऑल्सो ऑल द लेक्चर्स जो भी वीडियोस अपलोडेड होंगी वो आप जितनी मर्जी बार देखना चाहो उतनी बार देख सकते हो. अनलाइक अदर ऐप्स जहाँ पे देयर आर फ्यू आवर्स, इन दिस यू कैन वॉच एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वॉन्ट. प्लस ऑल द बैचेस ऑफ बिगिन. तो इनरोल करना तो ये जो नीचे मैंने लिंक्स दिए हैं उन सब पे क्लिक करो एंड इनरोल इन टू देम एज सोन एज पॉसिबल. और सारे टाइमिंग्स आप लोगों के हिसाब से होंगे बिकॉज फॉर इंटर्न्स, पोस्ट इंटर्न्स सारे बैचेस बिल्कुल सिस्टमैटिक वे से बने हुए हैं. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? क्लिक ऑन द लिंक, एनरोल योरसेल्फ नाउ. Our last day था तो it was very nostalgic. We got our certificates. Then that was a very emotional moment because since last 3 months we had fixed schedule and all of the mentors, all our guides were too generous, too nice to help us with each and everything from the silliest to the most expert thing. तो ये सब हमने किया. देन ये पूरा होने के बाद obviously जो भी आज लास्ट डे था we did few of other things and followed by a cake cutting thing.
All the best.
All the best for the new beginning.
Yes. New beginning and lots of success, lots of happiness.
You know, after 2 months, I want a call.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm killing it.
You're playing it. Let's play.
सारा बहुत ही इंजॉयबल डे था. एंड उसके बाद हाय, ये देखो यहाँ पे तैयार हो रहे हैं दोनों. शी इज माय को फेलो. श्रेया मैम है.
Hi.
राधा मैम, इन्होंने हमें बहुत सिखाया है.
Oh.
और आज हमारा लास्ट डे है.
Yes, we'll miss both of them.
Miss you more, ma'am. Undoubtedly,
We'll
ma'am.
be in touch.
I
In our
will-
Derma Angels group.
I will video calling you all the time. अब फिर उठा लेना, you know, बाद में ignore करना शुरू कर दो.
Yeah.
अब राधा मैम मेरे को हम दोनों को पार्टी पे लेकर आई हैं. After that, Shivang came in. He knew that today is my last day in Lucknow because tomorrow onwards I am going to Bangalore and a few other places which is completely booked. So he was also quite eager कि यार last time वो finally could feel the worth. तो फिर he planned out a movie. तो he came by 11:10. मूवी 11:05 की थी, but still all hectic he was. But फिर भी हम लोग मूवी देखने गए. The movie was Maidan again. It was a very, very, very motivational and inspirational movie. I think it was the right time to see the movie because I was in a zone where I was feeling all emotional, but that gave me a motivation कि अब जो मैंने सीखा है is the time to put in that knowledge and skill up and also be the best version of myself, be the best dermatologist one can ever see. The movie was amazing, fantastic, and that is how the day ended by 3:30 a.m. And अभी जो मैं ready हूँ, this is because I have a flight to Bangalore. So next day, मतलब आज मैं Bangalore जा रही हूँ. So you need to stay tuned for all the things which I will do in Bangalore, and will share every glimpse of it. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and be a part of us transitioning from a resident to an MD, and now from an MD to being into aesthetics as well. So you need to be a part of it all. So this is it. Take care. Bye.